So this image is open. Just to make sure that everyone has the same workspace, let's go to workspace setup on the top right on here, top right, looks like that. And then let's go to photography, and it looks kind of messy. Then let's go to reset photography, so everyone has the same workspace. You know, command and plus will zoom in, command and minus will zoom out. Zoom in, command and plus, and command and minus will zoom out. When you do a retouching, I would at least view the image at 100%, if not, sometimes 200%. Or sometimes I go 300%. And then you can zoom out and then in and out. That is kind of helpful. You can see a navigator in the top, and you can see where you are actually looking at too, right? Especially when you start to zoom in like this. It's easier to have access to where you are actually looking at. Also, sometimes it is helpful to have two exact same window of the same image next to each other. This is what I mean. If you go to Window Arrange, and then if you go New Window for Old Image.jpg, means that I have exact same image open in Photoshop. So in one picture, if I do something, don't do that to yours, that is reflected onto another one because those are two exact same file. The reason why having two windows open is helpful is that when somebody is zooming in and working on the files closely, sometimes you start to retouch something that shouldn't be retouched. But you are so close that you can't really see what you're doing. So if you have this old image open somewhere on the side as a reference, and then working on this is very helpful to see the overview on the side while you are working on one image really close up. Of course, this is helpful if you have a large monitor like what we have here. If you're working on the laptop, probably not a good idea because any real estate on the monitor space is pretty important. But if you have a luxury of having this nice large monitor at school, this is a helpful tool to use.
So whatever changes you make will happen on both images.
Exactly. I will try that again. That if I come over here to this picture, see? So it's reflected because they are identical file. And then you can open one file in different windows, basically. That's what you're doing. So again, to open two windows of a file, you can go to Window, Arrange, and New Window for Old Image from the top menu. Okay? So this is how we opened two windows of a file.